I just walked in to Bella Tucker's recent project. Let me just say, I am in awe. First thing they did was they added the trim work. So what a showstopper, like very big impact with such an easy shift. Then let me take you right here. You're gonna die with this. This used to be a coat closet. There was no half bath for guests to use. Look at what Dana and her team created. Y'all, hi. This is incredible. So they not only come up with the design for the idea, but also every detail. It is perfection. This may be my favorite part so far, although this trim work is pretty amazing.
I'm Dana Tucker. I'm Lauren Eccles.
I'm nosing in on their install day, which is so fun to get to see them at work, y'all. Okay, Dana was telling me this used to be a cased opening. This was a wall with a slight opening. I'll have to show y'all some before and afters, but look at this. They do not miss a detail. One thing I love is a simple shift right here can make such an impact. Hi, ladies. Dana, you've done amazing work here. Okay, tell us, what is your favorite feature that you changed in this kitchen?
Well, it was really closed before, so my favorite feature is probably just opening it up to the dining room. Just, it makes for a better flow of just daily life and entertaining, and just, they couldn't get an island in here before, so opening that up gave them an island that seats 6 people. And they said they just hardly ever sit in the dining room anymore, so.
Dana, this is incredible. I cannot wait to, can I show them some of the befores?
Yeah,
Because
course. Yeah, I think that's how you get the impact of what happened here.
Yes, like y'all, I just sat here watching her before videos, like looking around in amazement. Tell me how this process works. Like step 1, if someone's like, you know what, I kind of want my kitchen redone. What do they do?
Yeah, so step 1 is we ask you to reach out to us from our website or social media, and then we'll send you back an email asking for a few photos and some information about what you're trying to accomplish, what your budget is, what your style is, and then sometimes we'll schedule a small short Zoom just to kind of make sure we're all on the same page. But most everything gets really going with a consult. That's where I come out, I spend some time with you, we walk through your space. And the video that I showed you earlier was from the consult. So a lot of those first ideas are the things that get implemented.
You're so smart. I love this. Okay, can I show them a few of my favorite features that you came up with in this kitchen?
Sure.
Look at how gorgeous this whole wall is, but this is maybe one of my favorite parts. It's a hidden, what'd you call it, Dana?
A faux hood with
a faux
storage.
hood, more storage. Anybody else out there wish that you had more storage? The glass cabinets, so pretty. Now, Dana, do you do this like all yourselves? Did you work with a contractor? How does that work?
So typically we'll start with a client, we'll come up with a design concept, we'll do all the drawings, we'll select all the materials so that when we're ready to take it to bid with a contractor, that bid is rock solid because we know everything going into that kitchen before we start.
And I bet it makes it go faster.
It really does, yeah.
That's awesome. So you can help with all of those details. Like the person working with you is not gonna have to live on Pinterest.
No. We start with you showing me what you're inspired by, but we handle all the details.
Okay, time saver. Yes, please. All right, so I want to show you the different parts of the kitchen. Here's this. There's the sink. Love the microwave below there. Dana, tell me about this awesome area over here.
Yeah, so I really love symmetry, so I wanted this to be all drawers. And we knew we wanted a beverage station, but I wanted to match it over here. So we matched it inside, and it's pull-out trash.
Love that. And then those are drawers right there?
These are faux drawers.
So smart. Yeah, I'm with you. I really love symmetry. And then these drawers are huge and awesome. Okay, so speaking of cabinetry, I know you have a whole section of your business that is like cabinetry involved. Tell me about it.
Yeah, so we actually started out as a cabinet painting company. My husband has a background in faux finishing, and around 2007, everything kind of went the way of, the dinosaur for faux finishing, but it's back now, oddly enough. But anyway, so everybody was asking for painted furniture, painted cabinetry. So we really spent a lot of time investing in the right equipment, the right products, and we have probably painted over 500 sets of kitchen cabinets since around 2007.
That is incredible. Yeah. But Dana, where was one of the first things, probably not first, but where was my favorite painting that he's done?
Yes, I forgot about that.
My dining room.
You were one of the first people. We started painting your chairs in your dining room. Yes. Is that right? Yeah.
Yes. So I had beautiful, that was my JT's grandmother's dining room table and chairs. They were gorgeous, but I wanted to make them a little bit funkier. And Brooks and Dana were like, we can help here.
I might be able to find some pictures of that.
Oh my gosh, yeah. That makes it super fun to come full circle and get to see what they are doing now. From dining room chairs to kitchen, full kitchen cabinets, bathroom cabinets, all the things. I will say, in my old house, everyone commented on my dining room chairs. They love them. So I can only imagine what the comments would be, what he does in a full home. Y'all are gonna die when I show you the befores here. This was one of those old built-in bathtubs with a little linen closet. And look now, I said to Dana, does he feel like he lives in a spa? The detail, there's nothing that has been missed. Hello. I think this is so clean, so crisp. The best news is this family got to live in the house while all of this was being done. Okay, so you're wondering, where do linens get stored? Right here. So this is where the shower was in this bathroom. And now this is the spa-like bathroom in their home. Holy cow, this looks like a totally different place. So I was telling them that this looked like old school. I'm sorry, is that an okay word to say?
I love it. That just means it's a classic.
Now I feel like it's a spa.
Yes.
Total spa. Lock me in here. Tell me your favorite feature of this bathroom.
Gosh, I love the texture that we have coming in from the mirrors and the light fixtures. I love that we mix the brass with the black hardware. I love the Zalige tile in the shower.
It's gorgeous.
With the marble detail. Oh, don't miss this. A mitered edge on the outside of the shower. Marble slab.
Pretty.
And then we've got marble baseboards and marble floors.
Okay, that baseboard that matches the flooring is gorgeous.
It's a great detail. This little ledge detail right here, I designed that specifically for a can of shaving cream and a razor or a toothbrush to sit up there. That'd be useful.
Awesome. Yeah. I love all of the ideas that you've come up with all over this whole house. I want to know what the biggest challenge working in this space was for you. What was it really got you thinking hard, and what can we do there to make it amazing?
In this bathroom?
Yeah.
Let me think. Biggest challenge is talking people into using natural materials, because most people have heard horror stories about marble and they're afraid of it, but it makes such a huge difference in just the organic feel of the bathroom if you use natural materials.
So what is your answer if someone's right, love the way it looks, but in real life, how's this going to work out for me?
Yeah, so I basically just give them some care tips. Don't put any, in the bathroom, the biggest probably thing you need to avoid is using metal can of shaving cream that could rust on the bottom.
Okay.
Just be careful with that.
Okay, that's a good tip.
Just keep things wiped up and cleaned off, and you won't have any problems.
And in this sort of a space, that's going to be way easy to do.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous, Dana. Those those of you out there that are thinking, oh my gosh, I want my kitchen redone, I want my bathroom redone, Dana is your girl. So I'm going to give you a link to get in touch with her. Y'all just start out with a consultation. Y'all can kind of talk through your needs. I feel like being a mom of two, she knows like, hey, let me tell you how this might work in actuality, which is so helpful. So I feel like lots of people out there, even me myself, who has built a custom home, thinks, oh, I wish I had done this, or I wish I could have that, but I can't change the structure of my home. Well, Dana's your girl. She can help you figure out what could be moved. What can you sacrifice to get what you want? Dining room chairs were not the first time that the Tuckers and I worked together. The first time that we worked together, I got to teach their amazing daughter, Zoe, in kindergarten. Truly one of the best years of teaching of my whole entire life. Got to be with Zoe, got to get to know Zane, Dana, Brooks, the whole family. So, I only share things that I really love. I love the Tucker family and will always support anything that all four of them do.